To move the casting back and forth or skew, again, you must loosen the bottom ratchet handles before turning the adjustment knobs. So loosen the handle, pull down, loosen at least a couple turns, loosen, pull down, and then loosen again until the casting's separated. Bring the head down, and using the back micro adjusts, you can bring the head forward or back or skew within 3/4 of an inch by easily turning the ratchet handles fore or aft. Once you're done, again, the ratchet handles must be tightened. Pull down and tighten it as so.